Today, in the time of vulnerability, monetary security and the speed of exchanges are vital for the development of economies. Eventually, everything reduces to a sealed and exceptionally secure system that could be useful to store and re-establish all information on the blockchain-empowered state, where exchanging could be worked with alongside quicker installments and exchanges, and all killing the job of delegates, a consequence of hard and perfect work. The outline of torrential slide. A seed thought that was conceptualized by Cornell specialist Emin Gunsayer in September 2020, essentially putting together the stage with respect to blockchain calculations basically to resolve the issues of sped-up, decentralization, and security. With this sort of strong blockchain innovation, the torrential slide network will go about as a critical power supporter demonstrating progressive in the realm of installment, as an impetus to empower fast-fire exchanges in the worldwide installment environment. Torrential slide will carry extremist change to back. Torrential slide environment is completely viable with Ethereum resources, applications, and instruments with quicker speeds, higher throughput orders, and lower charges. It is an umbrella stage for sending off DeFi applications, resources, exchanging, and different administrations for blockchain engineers. It permits anybody to send off or exchange any type of resource and control it a decentralized way utilizing savvy contracts and other cutting-edge innovations. The urgent contrast between torrential slide blockchain and other blockchain stages is its administration component. Marking rewards are dependent upon dynamic changes as the framework develops. Torrential slide, the people group and associations. The principal point of the torrential slide local area isn't to lead exclusively on the development way. The torrential slide local area is humming about its achievements and huge commitment, particularly after torrential slide opened Denali testnet. It approved the Force of Torrential Slide Agreement and light engineering that offers more fair support rather than costly equipment, being recorded on famous computerized money trades like Coinbase and Binance. Avax offers its brokers a protected and reliable stage, empowering lesser charges and a plenty of advanced resources for single out from. Torrential Slide stage has additionally marked a settlement with numerous biological systems like Chainlink, Bilira, and so on, taking its forceful mechanical drives to a higher level. The essential objective behind organizations is to fabricate a helpful local area around the world, in this manner making an equivalent, economical, and decentralized world. Aside from these discussions, Avax has made further advancements in its organization and its acknowledgement all over the planet. On June 10, 2022, Japan's top crypto trade OKCoin recorded Avax. Dealers and financial backers are good to go for the recipe erase end of the week. Aside from this, the torrential slide establishment has additionally sent off Multiverse. This new motivation program will uphold new environments, NFTs, DeFi, as well as institutional use cases. Adding to this rundown, Kalau has additionally held hands with Avax to assemble items for NFT brokers and makers. This will assist them with encountering NFTs in new frictionless and easy ways. Ultimately, one of the greatest coordination is that of Chainlink attendance and Chainlink YRF incorporating with the essential torrential slide organization. This coordination will be super useful for the token as it will diminish the responsibility and improve the uptime and security of the brilliant agreements. The digital money value forecast is dependent upon the presentation of the individual symbolics foundation, its progressions, and the whole crypto market status. One can never know the specific future exhibition of any token. That being said, specialized examination, Avax forecast, and different perceptions take care of business as a guide all the while. The ongoing cost of a VAX is $18.43, with a market capitalization of $5,408,967,424. The 24 hours exchanging volume of the AVAX token is $381,292,309, with a flowing stockpile of 294,713,816.16 AVAX on the lookout. Torrential Slide Value Forecast 2022. Until the end of the year, the base cost and greatest cost are supposed to be $20 and $39 separately, as per our AVAX cost expectation 2022 and specialized investigation. Simultaneously, the typical cost might be $29.50 with a difference in 95%. Torrential Slide Value Expectation for December 2022. Our AVAX cost expectations uncover that the coin will have a base, most extreme, and normal cost of $33, $39, and $35.50 individually. Torrential Slide Value Expectation 2023. In light of our torrential slide cost expectation for the approaching year, the AVAX coin might have least and greatest costs of $42 and $55 separately. The adjustment of the cost is supposed to be around 30.95%. with a typical cost of $48.50. Torrential Slide Value Expectation 2024. As per Torrential Slide Cost Expectation, it is assessed that the coin exchange between the scope of $60 to $73, where $60 is the base exchanging cost and $73 is the greatest cost. Simultaneously, there are a couple of presumptions that the AVAX coin might have a typical cost of $66.50. Torrential Slide Value Forecast 2025. The Torrential Slide coin is supposed to have least and greatest costs of around $72 and $89 separately, according to our AVAX Cost Forecast 2025. While the typical cost may be $80.50, with a rate change of 23.61%, Torrential Slide Value Forecast 2026. According to our AVAX Cost Expectation, the coin might have a typical exchanging cost of $82.50, with a base and greatest cost of $80 and $85 individually. For the year 2026, the instability of the Torrential Slide cost is supposed to be very less, with a rate change of 6.25%, according to our cost expectation. Torrential Slide Crypto Value Forecast 2027. In view of the AVAX cost expectation, our specialists propose that the Torrential Slide digital money might exchange a scope of $91 and $101 for 2027, where the previous is the base cost and the last option is the greatest. While the typical exchanging cost of Torrential Slide might be $96. Torrential Slide Crypto Forecast 2028. Our AVAX cost estimate for the year 2028 recommends that the coin's typical cost might be $126, while the base and greatest costs might be around $111 and $141 separately. Simultaneously, the Torrential Slide Specialized Examination uncovers that the rate change might be 27.02%. Torrential Slide Coin Value Expectation 2029. From our AVAX cost expectation, we can reason that the coin's cost might exchange at a normal of $152.50 for the year 2029, while the least and greatest cost of the AVAX token for the year might be $145 and $160 individually. AVAX Value Forecast 2030. By 2030, our Torrential Slide cost gauge demonstrates that the possible high of the coin might be $185, with a likely low of $162 in the crypto market. The definite Torrential Slide cost examination uncovers the typical worth to be somewhere near $173. The market feelings administer cryptographic forms of money. Thus, AVAX is no special case. In view of verifiable information and specialized examination, there are many hypotheses proceeding for the Torrential Slide coin. All specialists have different Torrential Slide expectations to make out and out. In light of a VAX cost gauge, a drawn-out increment isn't normal. The cost visualization for long-term end is $1.36. They accept that your ongoing venture might be debased from now on. As indicated by their AVAX coin cost expectation, the cost could stretch around $44.14 by 2023 and $81.11 toward the finish of 2025. The Torrential Slide cost expectation expects solidifying patterns that point towards the way that there is potential for the AVAX value that might show up.